Management Terminologies Part 6. 1. Artificial person. An artificial person is a non-human legal entity, like a corporation, created by law. It has rights and responsibilities similar to natural persons, such as owning property, entering contracts, and suing or being sued. This separation allows the entity to act independently of its members, ensuring continuity and limited liability. Next word is 2. Certificate of commencement. A certificate of commencement is a legal document issued to public companies, permitting them to start business operations. It confirms that the company has fulfilled required obligations, like raising the minimum subscription. This document ensures the company's readiness to conduct commercial activities within the legal framework. Three. Charter. A charter is a formal document that establishes and governs an organization, defining its purpose, powers, and structure. Issued by an authority, it acts as the entity's foundational legal framework, outlining operational guidelines, rights, and obligations to ensure legitimacy and accountability. Next word is 4. Constitution. A constitution is a foundational set of rules or principles governing an organization, institution, or state. It defines roles, powers, and responsibilities while ensuring transparency, accountability, and adherence to agreed-upon norms. Constitutions safeguard rights, promote order, and guide decision-making processes effectively. Next word is 5. Financial statement. A financial statement is an official report that summarizes an organization's financial performance and position over a specific period. It includes the balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement, helping stakeholders assess profitability, liquidity, and overall financial health. Next word is 6. Incorporation. Incorporation is the legal process of forming a distinct corporate entity, separate from its owners. It grants the business rights like limited liability, perpetual existence, and the ability to raise capital. Incorporation formalizes operations and enhances credibility under regulatory frameworks. Next word is 7. Inherent. Inherent refers to qualities or characteristics that are natural, intrinsic, and inseparable from a person, object, or concept. These traits exist by default and define the fundamental nature of the entity, influencing its behavior, purpose, or identity. Next word is 8. Legal existence. Legal existence is the recognition of an entity under the law, granting it rights, responsibilities, and the ability to act independently. This status, given through registration or incorporation, ensures legitimacy and accountability for businesses, organizations, or individuals in legal matters. Next word is 9. Liquidate. To liquidate means to dissolve an organization by converting its assets into cash, settling liabilities, and distributing remaining funds to stakeholders. It is often undertaken during insolvency or closure, marking the end of the entity's operations and legal existence. Next word is 10. Privilege. Privilege is a special advantage or immunity granted to an individual, group, or entity. It is not universally available and often comes with specific responsibilities or conditions. Privileges can be social, legal, or organizational, facilitating roles or actions beyond ordinary rights. Next word is 11. Subscription. Subscription is a contractual agreement where a person or entity commits to regularly receiving goods, services, or shares in exchange for payment. It ensures consistent access or ownership while providing the provider with predictable revenue. Terms define obligations and benefits for both parties. Next word is 12. Voluntary association. A voluntary association is a group of individuals who unite willingly to achieve common objectives, such as cultural, social, or economic goals. Governed by mutual agreement or rules, it operates democratically, relying on active participation and shared interests to foster collaboration and impact.